Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2013 Ram 1500, stock number 17B25B. Starting right away up front, you have a nice chrome grille, factory fog lamps, a look down the passenger side. You do have 20-inch chrome wheels, looking at the tread on the tires. Running boards on the side, inside cloth interior. Center console folds up to become an additional third seat, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust as well as a factory trailer hitch and a rear backup camera. Taking a look at the bed. You do have the soft cover on top. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Taking a look inside, you have cruise controls. Full stereo is here. Climate control and your four-wheel drive controls are over here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Ram on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.